welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing and it's not my usual setup only because I am in the middle of, revamping, so I got stuff everywhere. I was able to get my Alex drawers, everything. You will have a little video of that, my updated desk situation, custom making, all of that, a little bit of that coming up. And I'm just gonna do my quick unboxing, and of course I opened the box upside down. Oh, yay, this is my Yayoge. I finally got my builder gel. This is my clear builder gel. I ordered this a few weeks ago. Ordering from Yayoge is like ordering from AliExpress. I know they have different warehouses. So there's a warehouse in UK. I think there's one in US and there's in China. But of course, the things I wanted was from China. So it took a little bit. But I'm excited. I have been watching Nail by Nikki, and she talked about Yayoge a lot. So I was like, okay, fine, let me give it a shot here. Let me try it out. So I got some clear builder gel, which is kind of funny. They make, I can't find where my stuff is, like I said, because I have it all over the place. Yeah, I don't know where I put it. My IBD gel. Matter of fact, 2 seconds, kitties. Okay, so my IBD builder gel, it looks very, okay, Yayoge, y'all tried it. Anyway, so I bought their brand. I like my IBD builder gel. It's really good. It's worked for me in the past when I want to do like something quick on my nails. Then I got this builder gel from Yayoge. Builder gel soft pink. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to open them. Sorry, guys. I don't want to open them right now. I just want to show you what it is I got. Check out their website. Pretty good website. Then I got builder gel pink. Then I got builder clear gel. So I'm trying to figure out what's the difference between builder gel clear and builder gel. It's the same thing, no? Okay. They may have got me on that one. Then I got my bonder, which is pretty beat up looking bottle, but it's a good size bottle. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Yeah, there we go. Then I got, I don't even know what this is. Look how they packaged it. You go to the supermarket or whatever, and some of the fruits are packaged in these, so they don't get bruised up. All right. Oh, yay. So my Intense Seal. So this looks like, what, my top coat? I'm assuming this is my top coat, and that's the base. Yeah. The consistency is really good. It's really like, it's really thick. Like it's pulling the top back in. That's how thick the gel is. So I'm glad I got that. They gave me a little brush. Wow, my brain is, I just came home from work, guys, so gel brush. And they gave me forms. Oh, I think the ones I got before in my other video, I think I showed it to you, was a little bit longer than this, but I'll take it. Thank you, Yayoge. I do have to make sure this is everything I ordered. I think I ordered more than this. Let's see, because I have another package that also came in today, and I'm wondering if this is like part 2. Oh, no, it's not. This is from AliExpress. So this is my humidifier and lamp like candle thing. So it's like one of those diffusers. You put the little scents in it or whatever. Open it up. It's so pretty because like I'm changing my desk and everything, and I want things to be cute and small. Oh, this is nice. I love this color. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have gotten the pink. Anyway, so this is the little diffuser candle. I'm wondering, I don't know how it works. Oh, charge it? Does it come with? Let's see what it comes with. That's it. Am I missing something in my, I hope not. So, yeah. Instructions are all in Mandarin. So that doesn't help. But I will just Google how to use this thing. It looks like you need a plug. I need to go back and check to see if they said it was going to come with a plug or not. I don't even know. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to come with an adapter, and it didn't. So, and there's, there's nothing that says what's supposed to be in here. It looks like it should be an adapter in here. No, am I bugging out, guys? Tell me. Because when you see stuff like that, doesn't that mean, like, plug? So, yeah. Not happy about that. I will give you an update once I figure this out and how I use it. But, yeah, bigger stuff here is my Yayoge Builder Gel little system that I got. Really nice. I got soft pink, I got gel pink, clear, but I got two things of clear, not knowing, I'm assuming it's the same thing. And then the bonder, which I'm believing is the base. It says non-acid primer, so I'm believing this is the, yeah, so it says strong adhesive, adhesion lasting bond, odorless. So I'm assuming this is the base. Then I'll either use one of these, and then of course your top coat, and of course my forms, which they look pretty good. I like these butterfly type ones, and my brush. Don't ask me how much I paid for it because I can't remember because it was so long ago that I ordered it. But yeah, so I will try to leave all the links below, but this is my small little haul. And I do have to mention the winner of the giveaway is Renee. Yay! She is winning the giveaway, guys. So, Renee, I see you, girl. Everything is in this lovely box. You will be getting this soon. And all the things in the giveaway are in here, just waiting for you to play with them. So yeah, Renee, look out for that. Congratulations to her. I'm so happy I was able to do this giveaway. I am so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, continue to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everything that you guys are doing for me and my channel. And of course, I will give you a heads up when I'm coming to a next giveaway. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do a small giveaway at 150 subs. Something little, but we'll see. As a matter of fact, hold on. I think. Back. That was more like 4 minutes, but it was 2 seconds for y'all. Anyway, so this is Renee's giveaway, my 100 subscriber giveaway. So I can't wait for her to get this. But I think I'm going to do another giveaway. This is a smaller giveaway. Once I reach 150 subs, I'm going to be giving away this. Now, this is some Kiara Sky dip powder. Never used it. I got it from Amazon. Never used it. I'm not a big fan of dip powder myself, but I know there are those who are, so kudos to you if you like it, you don't mind it, and you know how to do the dip powder in a very sanitary manner. I believe all of us, whether we're licensed nail techs or novices like myself, just make sure we do everything nice and clean and neat. But if you like dip powder, I will be doing this giveaway. I wonder what should it be, 150 or 175? You guys comment below what should this giveaway be, the second giveaway, once I reach 150 or 175. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think, because it's for you guys. So let me know. Everything is in here, all the steps. Step 1, 2, step 3, step 4, 5, and 6. I'll be giving away the little tub that you use to put the finger in and do that. Pour this powder. And I'm giving you like the French, like I think it's, yeah, like the French thing. So you get the dark, you get the dark pink and you get the pure white. Kiara Sky. Like I've never used it. So just so you guys can know, I've never used it. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of dip. So yeah. So this is it. This will be the next giveaway, but you guys have to tell me, you kiddies will have to tell me when, 150, 175. So yeah, that's that. But Renee, this is all for you, girl. I will ship it out as promised. We already discussed it. I've DM'd her. Congratulations to her, and thank you so much, Renee. I will be sending this out to you as soon as possible, and I will be getting you the tracking number, okay? So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye. Okay, kitties, I had to come back because I lied. I was about to get at the company. No need to get at the company. So apparently I just didn't open it. So I think this is the part, like you put the water in the diffuser. I'm not even sure how to use this. If anyone really knows how to use this, let me know. I know I ordered extra of these. That's supposed to be coming soon. This is the little charger thing. Like I said, I know it has a charger. So this is the charger thing that comes, you guys can't see. This is the little charger thing that comes with it. It was inside. So let me not play AliExpress. It did come with the chargers inside. I think somebody has to tell me how this thing works. I think you put water in it. If I'm following the instructions carefully here. Something to do with water. That's what I see. And I see that going in like that. Let's pull it up. Let's see. That's just that. So the water goes in this thing? What? Or the drops of the I know I have like those oils or whatever. I don't know. I have to figure it out. I just thought it was cute. That's why I wanted it. But anyway, so that's that. And then these are the little charger thing. Oh, it came with, oh, cool. It came with 2. Yay. I did order like a whole pack of these, which I don't, it looks like just cotton. Anyway, and this is the little charger thing. Now, where's this going to plug up to? This wire is not, it's not really long enough. I mean, it'll work. I just have to be creative as to where I put it. I don't want that to get messed up. I just have to be creative as to where I put it, I guess. So basically this part will go in here, and then I plug it into another cube that I have. I could use my Apple charger cube or just buy a cheap one. And then, yeah, so that's that. So let me not come at AliExpress or the company that sent this to me. It actually is decent. It's fine. It came with the cord and it came with extra of the filters. So yeah, back to the normal regularly scheduled program. Bye.